Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add background on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a background to your Shopify store can help enhance its visual appeal and create a unique user experience. You can add a background image of your choice or color to your Shopify theme using the theme customizer or by manually editing the theme's CSS. If you haven't decided yet on the background or image that you're going to use, you might want to hover to some of the free websites where you can download some images for free, like Pixabay, where they have like 3.9 million plus royalty-free stock photos and shared by the talented community. Or you can simply hover to the Unsplash. Similarly to Pixabay, they offer free content for you. Alright? But in my case, I'm going to use Canva because I've been using it for a while, and I'm going to create a specific background to my Shopify store as an image. Alright? Now, first off, I'm going to upload a file that I have been working with. I'm going to customize this one. And of course, I'm going to save it by going to the share button. Going to download, I'm going to save it as PNG. Or you have other multiple options: JPEG, PDF, SVG, which is best for web design and animations, MP4 video, and GIF, but for now I'm sticking to the PNG, and click on download. Of course, you have more options here to limit file size to compress and transparent background. Now, once you have that downloaded, I want you to switch over to your Shopify account, and for you to be able to add a background to your Shopify store, depending on how you set it up, all you have to do is hover to the left side panel of your admin dashboard, and I want you to click on the content. There's going to be the meta objects and files, wherein we are going to drag and drop the files, or simply click on the upload files on the upper right corner. Once you have uploaded the file, just wait for it to load. It'll take a little while. And the file is already here. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is, now after that was successfully uploaded, I want you to click on the copy link. This is very important, all right? I'm going to show you a code, which is very simple to do. Don't worry if you don't have any coding background or technical expertise. Just follow the video along. Trust me, it's really easy. Now, this is going to be the code, all right? And again, remember we have copied the link from the image earlier. I want you to hover to the background image URL and paste it inside all of these, all right? Now, I want you to paste the copied link from the image earlier, and this step is very important. I want you to delete the extended series of characters after the file format, all right? This one. For example, you have downloaded the a file like JPEG, or the extension could be PDF or GIF. I want you to delete the rest and retain the last file format. I'm not sure what's happening, but I realized that if you delete all of them, the code will be successfully embedded on your Shopify theme. Just copy that, and of course, go to the left side panel again of your dashboard, click on Online Store, and click on the themes. And from here, now I want you to click on the three dots icon, the ellipsis buttons beside Customize, and click on Edit Code. And you would be forwarded to the back end part of your Shopify. And if you can't find the base here, go to the filter files, type in base, press enter, and click on the base.css. Now, you're going to be seeing the code editor. I want you to simply hover down at the very bottom. It'll take a little while, so I need you to scroll down by clicking the wheel icon. It's a lot. Not have to worry, because at the very bottom of it, you see there's going to be that I want you to press enter. One more, and then paste the code that we have earlier on the notepad. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but all I'm gonna do is click on save to see what would it look like. Once it's saved, now let's click the preview store here to see if we have successfully added the background image on our Shopify. And I believe we did. We successfully added the background on Shopify, but it's a little bit cluttered. But the idea is that the foundation of editing or changing our background on Shopify is that, all right? Now, if you're not happy with it, all I have to do is close the preview button. We're going to go back to the local file, and then we're hovering to the D flaps. I'm gonna hit exit. I'm going to try another content here. For example, I'm hovering back to the files. Say, for example, I'm going to use this one instead. I'm going to upload another file. Just wait for it. I'm going to use our logo. This one, and it's going to be the same process. Copy the link, and from here, paste the URL and delete the unnecessary details after the file format. These characters, we don't need it. Copy all of it and go back again to the online store. Go to the three dots icon, edit code. We need to click on the base, but since we're already on the base.css, we need to hover down below. And of course, replace this one to see if we're able to change it. Now let's preview that on our store. As you can see, we have successfully added the background on Shopify, and you see that adding a background to your Shopify store can significantly improve the user experience, branding, and overall design of your online store, because a well-chosen background can make your store visually appealing, creating a more engaging and attractive layout for customers. Backgrounds can set the tone or mood for the store. Now, for example, you have like soft gradients or nature-inspired backgrounds. It can invoke calmness, but in our case, it's a little bit cluttered. But you get the picture of how to change or add a background here on your Shopify store. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.